One of the report filter fields in this pivot table is region, and it appears at the top of the pivot table here. I'm able to click the drop down on region and choose Auckland and OK, and then go print. I'm able to hit it again and choose Christchurch and OK, and then print. But this can be quite tedious to have to switch to each entry in this report filter field to be able to view and print each region. What I'll do is put it back to all and click OK. What I'd like to do is show the report filter region on separate sheets across the bottom of my file. For this, I'm going to go to the Pivot Table Tools Options tab in the ribbon, and I'm going to hit the down triangle on the far left where the Options button appears. When I hit the down triangle on the Options button, I can show report filter pages. Report filter pages are based on the report filter fields, and I have two, year and region. I'm going to choose region and click OK. Now when I do this, at the bottom of my screen very quickly, I will see a whole lot of new sheets by each region. So I'll click OK. And suddenly I have a sheet for Auckland, Christchurch, Hamilton, Kawerau, Rotorua, Taupo, Tauranga, Tipuki, Tukurua, Wellington, Whakatane, and my original pivot table sheet.